I really hope it hurts like hell. I really hope it hurts like.
Hey guys, so I kind of forgot to film an intro for this video. So hey, it's Lisette, and yeah, let's get started. So starting with the hair, I have this ponytail, which is completely brown. I've done a video with a ponytail before, but it was color 27, so it was very like honey, but this is really dark. So I wanted to like see what I look like with just brown hair, and I have a little trick to show you guys how you can cover up whatever hair color that you have. So for my leave-in, I'm using my Black Vanilla Curling Cream from Carol's Daughter. Generous amount in my hands. And just using my fingers to detangle. So I'm taking a brush and I'm just starting to brush my hair back because I want it sleek. Okay, so I want my ponytail to be about here. I don't want it too high. Now I'm just gonna slick it down with my Eco Styler gel. This is the black castor and flaxseed oil one. And just brush it back. Every time I do this, my hand starts cramping so bad. So now I'm just taking a hair tie and wrapping my hair in a super, super tight ponytail. So once I have that, I'm taking this ponytail that I just created and I'm going to twist it and create a bun. So now that the bun's there, it's time to take the ponytail out. And so this one, I want to say this is like a chocolate brown, but it also has some 27 in it. So it might be like 4/27. I'm going to take the hook, place it in with the drawstring. Next, I'm just going to take a piece and secure it with a bobby pin. Once this dries, like from a distance right here, it looks like it all matches, but it actually doesn't match because of my highlights. So I picked up this from the store. It's the L'Oreal Magic Root Cover Up. And so this is meant to like cover grays, and so you like spray it on your gray hair, but it also covers blonde. So I'm just gonna spray this on my highlighted areas to make my hair look brown. So now it's all brown, as you can see. It blends better, and I also like to use this to make my edges look a little bit thicker. So I just kind of lightly spritz. Woo, I said lightly and I just went. So now, as you can see, all of my hair is brown and it blends in with the ponytail a lot more seamlessly. I use this after I use my gel because when you put this on and you try to put like product on after, it just kind of smudges everywhere and it can like get a little bit messy. Moving on to the makeup, I wanted to do something with a dark lip, and so that's what we're gonna do. First, we're gonna start with the eyes. I'm using my Precisely My Brow Pencil from Benefit, and this is in the shade number 5. This is like my all-time favorite. I try to give myself an arch just because I feel like I don't really have one. Doing my brows. To clean them up, I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Medium. And I'm just gonna put a little bit on the back of my hand. I have a question. Does you guys' Shape Tape like explode every time that you get it? Because my Shape Tape is like looking crazy. Then I'm just gonna blend it. And these are the brows. So, should I do the eyes next or should I do the face? Priming my lids because I'm a veiny girl. I just have to conceal my eyelids. Okay, so this look is very, 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 very simple. And that's why I asked you guys if you wanted a tutorial, because I'm like, you sure? It's really simple. I'm using my Tarte Pro. Oh my gosh, so I have to show you guys this spray. It's by It Cosmetics. It's the It's Your Brush Love Instant Brush Cleaner. And so this is what I've been doing because I've been lazy. And you spray it on your brush. And then using like a tissue or something, but I'm using a towel right here. You can see that the product is coming off. I'm gonna go into this color here, which is like a light brown, to start my crease up. Next color I'm using is this burgundy, and I'm applying this into my crease. It's called Mod. But I'm really trying to keep this shape, kind of like elongating the eye. Then next I'm taking this color Edgy, which is a chocolate brown, to go in my crease again, but really concentrate it. So I'm using a smaller brush. Just kind of put it on the crease right here. I have a question for you guys. Do you actually recreate makeup looks that you see in videos, or do you just watch them because they're fun to watch? I always just watch makeup videos because I'm like, okay, this is cool. Like, I really like want to learn from this, but I'm probably 99.9% sure that I'm not ever gonna do this. And I'm just gonna blend everything out a little bit more with a blending brush. For my lids, I'm leaving them completely bare, and next is liner. For my liner, I like to do my eyeliner going out. I like to try to make my eyes more cat-like. So the hard part is getting it even, because every time I always do this eye really good, and then it's always like this one goes up more. So I'm gonna try my best. So this is the eyeliner, and I want the line to be sharp. So I'm taking my Born This Way concealer. This is in the shade Light Beige. And keep in mind, I don't have any face makeup on yet. Okay, so this is the liner, and next is mascara and lashes, which really transform this look. Using my favorite mascara, which is the Too Faced Better Than Sex. Applying this on my lashes. These are the lashes that I'm gonna be wearing. These are in the style May B, M-A-E space B. Using my Duo Lash Glue, look how nasty this looks. Like, this has really been through, it's really been through a lot. So this is the lashes on. Moving on to the face. I'm using my Too Faced Peach Perfect foundation. I mixed the color Natural Beige and Warm Beige to get my shade because I never have my shade and it's cool. Yeah, so mixing and putting some on my forehead, but I don't like to apply too much foundation on my forehead just because I don't want it to mess up anything. Concealer under my eyes, I'm using the shade Medium mixed with Light Medium, just so I can add some highlight. To set my face, I'm using my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder and just blending this all over. For bronzer, I'm using my Too Faced Dark Chocolate Soleil, which is like what I always use because I love it. For blush, I'm using this Tarte blush in Dazzled. Applying it right on the apples, but also kind of on my nose. And up here a little bit. For my highlight, I'm using this one called Boy Bye from the brand Boys Lie. Just applying it up here and up here a little bit. And also on my inner corners. For the eyes, I'm using some of that dark brown on a brush to smoke it out. And last but not least, I'm using my Fenty Beauty Unveil Stunna Lip Paint. So this is the final makeup look. And if you like this video, then please make sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you guys next time.